Hey, welcome to today's video. What up, what up, what up? Don't mind the parts. Again, that's going to be for another video. Guess what, this new part that just came in. Been waiting for something like this for a while. It's going to get open. Really not much to explain about it. I found a couple that makes it, DC5 Creations. I have to make a couple other pretty interesting goodies, but you always know I'm trying to spice up the engine bay. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open and show you what I got here. Okay, there we go. And here it is, guys. I've been waiting for this for a while. Bang, can you tell what it is? This is a full titanium hood prop for the hood. I didn't want to go and change my levels and make different type of hood struts or anything like this. They actually make one out of titanium. You can kind of see it right there. Right there. It's kind of butt. You can kind of see it right there. I'm going to go ahead and get it onto the car. Again, let me go ahead and open this up right quick. Back. There you guys go. It's going to be kind of hard to see it, but you can kind of see the titanium pieces. But that's going to be the I guess that's going to be actually going to be the bottom. That's the part that goes into the garment, and this is the part that actually holds it up. You take your end piece off your original one and put on the end of here. Although I don't have to do it for mine because obviously I have a traditional spot in the carbon fiber hood. But if I don't put it there, I'm definitely just going to wrap the tip of this like an electrical tape or something just so it doesn't damage the bottom of the carbon fiber hood. But here you guys go. Here's a full titanium hood prop. Hell yeah. Again, not much to explain. Let's go ahead and get the old one off. See if we're going to swap the tips on it. If not, I'm just going to tape up the end like I said. Put this on, then we'll have more stuff going on in the engine bay. Hell yeah. To the car, basically. I'm going to go ahead and just take off the original one first. Make the swap and put it back on. One thing about doing it all out here, but I don't want to do it all one-handed and etc. So I'll just take it off, go inside, make sure I can get the top piece off cleanly. And while I have light. And put it on there, and then come swap it out. So, again, I kind of gave a tutorial, not really, kind of, on how to take off the original grommet and out of here, but it's going to be kind of hard to explain it, but I did the best I can. So let's go ahead and get the hood pop. Let's get to the rod. The hood up, the easiest way I can explain it is you look at that switch, and it's actually just simply twisted in there. And I'm going to try to hold it with my head and do it. There you go. So you want to obviously undo it from here. Pull it right here. And simply just gotta work it out, twist it. Yeah, watch the Joe at the shop do it. So, kind of feel sorry about that, but yeah, you gotta do something like that. So I'm with these two hands to get it done. Kind of hard to explain. Pretty much you gotta lift it up like this, twist it back like that, and just kind of twist it. You can kind of see the bends right there at the end. Twist it, pull out some more, twist it more, pull out some more, etc. until you finally get out. So let's head inside. Let's swap this out now. Got this end piece out right here with the new, the old one compared to the new one. I couldn't figure out how to get this piece off without possibly pulling this back. I don't want to break it, so it's not worth it to me. I'm going to throw this one on there. Again, at the end, twist it on it just to get it in place. If I have to, like I said, I don't mind putting a little bit of duct tape on the end if I have to, right there. But again, it's just used to hold up the hood anyways. So that's just those on there. Again, I didn't want to break it off, so it's okay. It has two clips right here at the pull back, but I don't want to break it just in case I ever have to go back there for whatever reason. Yeah, this was a lot easier to get in than the OEM one. One twist, and it's in there. There you guys go. That's what it looks like. So now, again, you do the whole open shot of the titanium rod with the rest of the titanium parts. It looks really good. Again, we're not even in daylight. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my JDC titanium cleaner right here. And I'm going to go ahead and clean the rod up right quick. And that's the rod does feel a little bit kind of flimsy because it doesn't have the extra bend down here. But again, you just need it to hold up the hood. That's all it does. The only time this rod's even up is doing that. Now I need to drive the car to make sure it's not rattling or vibrating, but should be good to go. Fine, so you know, that's a good sign. So again, I'm going to go get some food. Let's go down, see if we hear it rattling or anything like that. Should be good because, I mean, again, it's got the piece that holds the rod there, keep it in place from popping. So if anything, maybe the back will shake. But other than that, should be good to go. So we're going to go get some food, drive it real quick. It should be good. But let's find out. Let's get it. I'll help with the second part of the video. I'm going to go ahead and change out my HID ballast on this side because my light is flickering. It comes on sometimes it doesn't. It's a pain in the ass. So again, I'm not going to go into the details. You got to take out the front bumper. I'll show you why I mounted my ballast on my car, and you guys can mount it anywhere you want. Remember, the 06 to 11 never came with HID lights, so I built projector headlights, and then of course I had to use a aftermarket HID kit. This is an actual HID kit. There's the ballast inside here. I'll show it to you when we get to it. These are replacement bulbs. I think the bulbs are fine. I think it's mostly just the ballast is going bad. Now, this ballast lasted me 4+ years, so I have nothing but good things to say about it. Let me show you. Probably not going to work right now. I'm going to turn the lights on, and you'll see that the HID, and of course it's working now. But I'll show you this thing cuts in and out. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this entire ballast because I know it's just going to cut out on me and cut back on. I don't have time to be dealing with that. So again, I'll show you why I mounted mine. You guys can mount your ballast in whatever spot you want. I'll give you the website where you can order this entire kit. Like $27, $32 or something after shipping. Now it does come from China, but this is the same exact ballast that you would buy. It would come with, any car that comes with HID. So don't go paying $400 for a kit. Please don't. Again, this lasted me 4+ years. This side's still fine. This side's obviously having issues. I think I did replace this side once a couple years ago, but I have like 3 extra ballasts, so I had to replace it once. But I'm going to cut to the chase and get the front bumper off, get the headlight out. I'll show you where I have my ballast, etc. Front bumper off. You can see right here, I put my pocket lights. You can see right here is where I put my ballast. Right there. I'm pulling it out. Get on the ground for you guys. Right there. That's the ballast. That's the wiring right there. And of course, it's the headlight right above here. I was going to try to see if I could take this out without having to uninstall the headlight. I might be able to. I got these wires pinched. Let's see. Yeah, I got these wires pinched. I'm going to have to take the headlight out in order to get to it so I can swap it out. But that's why I put my ballast on this side. I'll show you I put my ballast on the other side. I can zip tie it down. This one has like a little crevice right here. That's probably why I never zip tied it. Alright, let's get the headlight out. Damn it, I was hoping to avoid having to do that, but I'm gonna have to. Alright. Got the screws out. Don't forget you got a screw right there. Got the nice little screw that's way down deep inside here, back here. Need a long extension like that to get to it. Then you got the screw right here. It's on the side. And the headlight will come out. I'm gonna pull my headlight out and then we're gonna get to the ballast that's underneath it. Alright, here's the rest that's behind my headlight. There's the ballast right here, you guys can see. It's one right here, like I said, there's a little spot right here, you just drop it in right here. That'd be fine, but obviously this ballast is having issues. And that's the reason why it's cutting in and out. So you just pretty much tuck everything right here, headlight goes in. Plugs on the ballast are kind of self-explanatory. I'm just gonna redo it. I already have my lighting. I think my light's fine. I think it's just the ballast itself. So we're gonna swap just the ballast in this case and pray to God it's the ballast and not the ballast. The ballast and not the lights. So I'm just gonna go wire for wire. See, here's the ballast. Here's the new ballast right here. Put that brand new. Same exact identical thing. Plug for plug. It's gonna go plug for plug. You can see the right plug goes, white plug goes, etc. right here. I'm going to swap it out. Yeah, I'm not going to do this with one hand, but you guys can freeze frame it if you want to know how the plug's going. And again, the ballast is its own piece that's plugged into the actual headlight harness, as you can see. Let's see if I can kind of explain it before I put everything back together. So here's a new ballast in play. You got the main headlight harness wires plugged into that power adapter. These two wires come off of the, you can see right here, the bulb. There's the bulb itself. You guys can kind of see the free bulb. Free bulb with wires. You got the 2 wires right here. Right here. You see they match up with the blue and the red wires. You can kind of see it right there. You got this other wire right here. We just big one right here. Okay. This one right here, which plugs into that one right there. And then this one right here plugs into the main headlight harness right here. That's how you hook up to each of these light. So now while I got everything unplugged, I'm going to cut the light on and make sure the lights work before I start slap this all back together. The last thing I want to do is put all this shit back together and it fucking doesn't work. It cuts out immediately, not a second delay. You guys can see the pulleys. You see there's the NST lightweight pulleys. Kind of see why I got everything off. All right, let's test. And again, I don't know if you'll have to tell me. It's working or not. So bear with me a second. Last time me, if this light cuts on. Now I hear it. It's working, but I hear it. As you just saw, bam, that's cut right on. Again, the other ballast is obviously having issues, going bad. Cuts right on every single time, as it should. Tired of dealing with headlights. One headlight not working, but that's how it was. Simple change of the ballast. You see how it's wired, so you guys want to order this kit. It's $32. And it comes with the HID lights. You can buy any size as far as Kelvin lights. You want 3,000, 65, 8,000, 12,000, etc. Remember, as you go up in Kelvin, the color changes. So 65 to 82s, the range you want to be at if you want the HID. Anything brighter than that, it's going to be like pink and purple and all that good stuff. All right, so let's just put all this back together. Pretty simple. But I'm just going to put the ballast back underneath the headlight right here. Put the headlight back in play. Put it all back together. Put the screws back in. Put the pump bumper back on. Again, I've been meaning to do this project for a while. Pain in the ass, take out the pump bumper and do all this shit. But I'm just like, man, I can't be waking up in the morning, cutting the headlights on, and one of the headlights on, the other's off, and I'm waiting an extra 10, 15 minutes for it to cut on. Sometimes I gotta finagle it. That's why I tell them to power off and on to get on. That's no bueno. So we got that done. Let's put it all back together. Alright, I hate fucking with the headlights, it's a pain in the ass. Alright, it's back in there. You can see the ballast is tucked in right underneath there. See, the ballast is tucked in right there, guys. And the headlight works just fine. Alright, again, I hate taking out the headlights. Again, you just have to kind of work it in there, massage it in there. Easiest way I can take to get the headlight in there is to come diagonal. And you have to tap this side in to get this middle piece over this. And then I'll slide that in there. Pain in the ass. So what I do, fucking headlights are a pain in the ass to get in and out. Alright, so I'm going to put this pumper back on and call this install done. Just want to make sure before I put everything back together that the lights still work. Mosquitoes are tearing my ass up. But alright, so no more dealing with coming out in the morning or leaving work late at night and damn headlight won't come on. Screw that, that shit got old. Alright, let's put it back together. I found out the main reason why the ballast doesn't work because it was cutting in and out. Look at that. Look at that, it's just taped up. I don't know if I did this years ago or maybe shot bunch of wires, but you can see this. You can see the inside of it. So that's why it's working for a while. Then it kind of starts shorting out over time, over the rainstorm, or I should say. Look at that. Yep, this is trash. Thank goodness I got extra. Any part that you add to your car that's a modification that never was, you might want to get a secondary backup part. You never know. But yeah, this is definitely trash. I thought maybe I could hold on to it. No. Because that right there is just going to always show that till it finally blows out. So, trash. I'm going to make sure the lights are good to go. Bam. And this thing isn't on again. Holy shit. There we go. Second cut, I'll just cut off, cut right back on. There we go. Man. I was like, come on now. I'm like going through all that again. It's brand new ballast, but that ballast definitely is messed up. But there you go. So again, you know, HOD lights, you take a second to cut off. You can see it in that corner. Lights on. There we go. Okay. Just take it a second. Alright, you guys saw the install. It's all done. That's it. Now you guys know where to put the ballast. If you guys get aftermarket ballast in that 06 to 11 on the Civic. Again, underneath the headlight on this side. On the driver's side, actually, the ledge right here. You can put it on this ledge right here. Zip tie it down. And then wire it the way I showed you the other wire. But that's it. You guys saw me install the titanium hood pop as well as the fix the headlight. We do have, like I told you guys, another part coming in. I think I might have a lead on a cool part that I actually need. You guys saw me do a fix to these welders. Yeah, so hopefully I give them a call tomorrow and see if it's actually true. If it's true, I'm gonna order it up. I'm gonna get on this car, but again, we'll say that for another video. If you have any questions, post them down below. Again, the website to buy HID kits for any car, not just this car. It's a universal HID kit. I'll post it up here. Order your kit. Do not pay $400 or $500 for a kit. No, you're not wasting money. See you guys next video. Again, comment down below. Peace.